Alright, found the fuel filter. Found two fuel filters. Guess they couldn't get the old one out, so I just slapped a new one on there. That looks like that's going to be fun. Alright. But everything on this truck is fun. So I gotta get a new filter, try that. It's been replaced. Let's see what kind of training do I got. Got a second one of these, 272. I think that's what the other one is. Looks like I got a little leak there. Doesn't surprise me at all. I mean, this kind of surprised me. Well, not really. But isn't that fun? Isn't that special? Huh? Actually, not too bad. Just the undercoating, or whatever that is. Okay, maybe it is bad. But par for the course for my $500 truck. Bought the truck. Spent $600 replacing all the brakes. It's one thing I don't mess with. Everything else I do isn't that special. Bolted this door closed because it wouldn't close. Got 3 or 4 down the bottom also. Here's our wind-up window. Isn't that special? All race car-ish. And since I'm showing you everything here, got tired of replacing the hinges, so I made a door picker upper 5000, welded that in. Now she closes fine. Screw the hinges. Alright, yeah, and that's got cut off. Let's see what other special things we got. Oh, the safety latch was off, broken on the other one. That was missing, so I've got a new hood since the other one flew off. Dented everything up, cracked the windshield. That was a nice adventure. But had to weld that back, put a new, because this whole thing got ripped off, had to weld a new one on. So I got a new hood. Some more weight reduction there. This is for taking those turns, get some side force. I got the strap here. Keeps the sides from flexing too much and the tailgate dropping. That's always fun when you have to go back on the highway and pick up your tailgate. It's more weight reduction for this truck. This thing flies. Alright, well, let's get some more work done, and we'll come back later.